Okay, good evening students. Today we got to see the karyotyping. Karyotyping is a technique through which a complete set of chromosomes is mostly separated from a cell and the chromosomes are arranged in a pass. That is called karyotyping. In an ideogram, that refers to diagrammatic representation of chromosomes. There is ideogram. Here there is a preparation of karyotype. Geo and Levin describe some of the simplest method. Lymphocytes from the human blood. Meiosis induced followed by addition of colchicine to arrest cell division. After metaphase phase, there is a suitable spread of metaphase chromosome is photographed. That is known as the photograph, and this arrangement is nothing but karyotype. Chromosome banding also permits the sexual definition and differentiation of chromosomes. Then what are the application of chromosomes? Karyotyping. It helps in gender identification, detect the chromosomal aberration like deletion, duplication, translocation, non-disjunction of chromosomes, and helps to identify the abnormalities of chromosomes like aneuploidy. Also used in predicting the evolutionary relationship between species. Genetic diseases in human beings can be detected by these techniques also there. Okay, here some of the 23 pairs of chromosomes also there. In a 23rd chromosomes there is a X and Y, there is a sex chromosomes also there. Human karyotype. Here, depending upon the position of centromere and relative length of two arms, human chromosomes are three types: meta, submeta, and acrocentric. Photograph of chromosomes are arranged in order of descending length in groups from A to G. Pedigree analysis. Pedigree is a family tree drawn with standard genetic symbols showing the inheritance pathway for specific phenotypic characters. Pedigree analysis is the study of traits as they have appeared in a given family line in a several past generation. Here these are the symbols mostly denoted by this. Why? Simple, there is a male and female affected individuals and heterozygous autosomal recessive mating, carrier of sex linked parents and children, death and dizygotic abortion of stillbirth, monozygotic proportion, sex unaffected, number of children and conspicuous marriage. Okay, then genetic disorder. Yes, there is some of the genetic disorders also there. Disease or syndrome that is caused by of an abnormality in an individual of DNA. Abnormalities can be ranged from a small mutation, single gene, or addition of or subtraction of any gene is there. The genetic disorder are two types: Mendelian disorder and chromosomal disorder. In a Mendelian disorder, the disorder mostly transmitted to offspring on the same line on a Mendelian pattern of inheritance. Here these disorders are thalassemia, albinism, phenylketonuria, single cell anemia, Hutchinson's chorea. These are okay. Thalassemia. Here there is autosomal recessive disorder, gene mutation resulting in excessive destruction of RBC only. There are two types of polypeptide chains in a hemoglobin, 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. Thalassemia patients have defects of either alpha or beta, anything is there. Okay, thalassemia is also classified into alpha and beta based on which kind of hemoglobin molecule is affected. It is controlled by two closely linked genes, HbA1, HbA2. Here there is alpha thalassemia. The alpha genes mostly causes this one, and beta thalassemia production of beta globin chain is affected, controlled by a single gene HBB. It is the most common type of thalassemia and is also known as Cooley anemia. Okay, phenylketonuria. This is an inborn error of phenylalanine metabolism due to the pair of autosomal recessive genes caused by mutation in the gene PAH, phenylalanine hydroxylase gene, located in chromosome 12 for the hepatic enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Here this is affected individually lacks this enzyme. So phenylalanine accumulates and gets converted to phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives. Okay, here there is a phenylalanine hydroxylase, tyrosine. Then albinism. Albinism is another inborn error of metabolism caused due to the autosomal recessive genes. Melanin pigment is responsible for skin color, and absence of melanin results in the condition of called albinism. A person with the recessive allele lacks the tyrosine enzyme system, which is required for conversion of dihydroxyphenylalanine. And some of the in albino, melanocytes are present in normal numbers in the skin, hair, iris, but lack melanin pigments. Tyroxyphenylalanine, tyrosine, melanin. Huntington's chorea, inherited as an autosomal dominant lethal gene in a man. It is characterized by involuntary jerking of the body and progressive degeneration of the nervous system, accompanied by gradual mental and physical deterioration. The patients with this disease usually die between the age of 35 to 40. Chromosomal abnormalities. Here there is a diploid 2n. Body cell has 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs. Chromosomal disorders are caused by errors in the numbers of structure or chromosome. Chromosomal abnormalities usually occur when there is an error in cell division, failure of chromatids to segregate during cell division resulting in gain or loss of one or more chromosome called aneuploidy. There is a group of signs and symptoms that occur together and characterize a particular abnormality is called a syndrome in humans. Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Pattu syndrome, and some of the examples of chromosomal disorders. Here there is a Down syndrome, trisomy 21. Trisomy condition of chromosome 21 results in Down syndrome characterized by severe mental retardation, defective development of central nervous system, increased separation between the eyes, flattened nose and ears or malformed mouth, constantly open and the tongue protuberance. Pattu syndrome, trisomy 13. Trisomy condition of 13 results in Pattu syndrome. Meiotic non-dysfunction is thought to be the cause of this chromosomal abnormality. And also there is a multiple and severe body malformation as well as profound mental deficiency. Small head with small eyes, cleft plate, malformation of brain and internal organs, some of the symptoms of this syndrome. Abnormalities in human beings, mitotic and meiotic non-junction of sex chromosomes cause the allosome abnormality. Several sex chromosome abnormalities have been detected, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. Here Klinefelter symptom, XXY males. This genetic disorder is mostly due to the presence of additional copy of X chromosome or resulting in a karyotype of 47 XXY. 47, that is XXY. Persons with this syndrome have 47 chromosome, 44 AA plus XXY. They are usually sterile males, tall, obese with long limbs, high pitched voice, underdeveloped genitalia and have feeble breast. Gynocosmia development. Turner syndrome. The genetic disorder due to the loss of X chromosome resulting in the karyotype 45 and X. Persons with this syndrome have 45 chromosome, 44 autosomes and 1 X chromosome, 44 AA, XO and are sterile females. Low stature, webbed neck, underdeveloped breast, rudimentary gonads, lack of a menstrual cycle during puberty are the main symptoms of this syndrome, that is Turner syndrome. Okay, thank you students. Up to this one you have to read very carefully. So this lesson is over. Thank you students.